Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Access Tech. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to delete multiple pages from a PDF. This is very easy, so let's just start. First, see the PDF. See here, this PDF has 10 pages and there are some unwanted pages. I want to delete multiple pages at once. Now let's see how I do it. First, go to google.com. Then search remove PDF pages. PDF pages. Open the site that is called I love PDF. Now select the PDF. See here, all of PDF pages appear here. Now select those pages which you want to delete. We select 3 pages. Now click on remove pages. The text is complete. The PDF is now automatically downloaded. See how is this? See here, now 3 pages are gone. Before it has 10 pages, now it has 7 pages. That's it. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you enjoy this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel. Thank you.